Okay. Here there are two planes here. They are already given here. Both planes intersect each other. Okay. So consider this is a one plane here, and this is a one more plane. Then this is the third plane here. Okay. They are already given equation of this plane is here ax plus b into y plus 6z is equal to 15. They are already given here. Okay. And also there is one formula here. Suppose P1 is one plane here and P2 is the other plane, and this plane is given by P1 plus lambda into P2 is equal to 0. Okay. Then find the distance of the point from this plane here. Okay. So they are already given its point is 3 to minus 1 here. First find the equation of this plane. Then find its distance here. Distance from the point to this plane here. Okay. Therefore, take your solution here. Okay. Therefore, equation of the plane. Equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of the given place. The line of intersection of given planes is so ax plus by plus 6z is equal to 15 here. Take this one as equation number 1 here. Okay. But this plane is also given by using this result here P1 plus lambda into P2. P1 is the first plane here. So x plus 4y minus z plus 7 here plus lambda into bracket. So 3x plus y plus 5z minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, we are using this result here. Therefore, take this lambda inside the bracket here. X plus lambda into 3x. So here x is the common factor. 1 plus 3 lambda into x here plus 4 plus lambda here. 4 plus lambda into y plus minus 1 plus 5 lambda here. Minus 1 plus 5 lambda into z plus 7 minus 8 lambda here. Okay, so 7 minus of 8 lambda is equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 2. Here 1 and 2 represent the same plane here. Here 1 and 2 represents the same plane. Therefore, their coefficients are proportional here. So a upon 1 plus 3 lambda, a divided by 1 plus 3 lambda is equal to, then b upon 4 plus lambda here, b divided by 4 plus lambda is equal to, so 6 upon minus 1 plus 5 lambda. So 6 divided by minus 1 plus 5 lambda is equal to, so take 15 left side here, minus 15. Take this 15 left side here, minus 15 upon this here. So 7 minus of 8 lambda. Okay, both represent the same plane here. Therefore, their coefficients are proportional here. Okay. Then in this case, a divided by 1 plus 3 lambda. Okay. Then b upon 4 plus lambda, 6 divided by minus 1 plus 5 lambda, and is equal to minus 15 divided by 7 minus 8 lambda here. Okay. Then taking this last two ratios, taking last two ratios. Okay. So simplify. So 6 divided by minus 1 plus 5 lambda is equal to minus 15 divided by 7 minus of 8 lambda. You can cancel here 3 2s or 3 5s are cancels. Take this one this side here. 2 into bracket 7 minus of 8 lambda. Then minus of 5 into bracket minus 1 plus 5 lambda. Then 2 7s are 14 minus of 8 to 2s are 16 lambda. Then minus 5 to minus 1 gives a plus 5. 5 5s are 25 minus of 25 lambda. Take 5 this side here. So 14 minus 5 is equal to, take minus 16 lambda that side here. So minus of 25 lambda plus 16 lambda. So 14 minus 5 becomes 9. Minus 25 plus 16 is a minus of 9 lambda here. Therefore the value of lambda is minus 1 here. Value of lambda is a minus 1. Use that lambda value here. Substitute here. Okay. So a divided by 1 plus 3 into minus 1 is equal to b divided by 4 minus 1 here is equal to 6 divided by minus 1 plus 5 into minus of 1 here. Okay, you can take this one or even you can take this one. You will get the same result here. Therefore, a divided by 3 ones are 3 minus 3. 1 minus 3 gives a minus 2 is equal to b divided by 4 minus 1 is a 3 is equal to, so 6 divided by here minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 here. So 6 divided by minus 6 here. So 6 and this 6 cancels here. Remaining is a minus 1. Therefore, a upon 2, a upon minus 2 equal to minus 1. Therefore, the value of a is 2 here. So b upon 3 equal to minus 1. Take this side. So b is equal to minus of 3 here. A value 2, b value minus 3. Therefore, equation 1 becomes. Therefore, 1 becomes. So 2 into x, 2x here. Then minus 3 into y, minus 3y, plus 6z here, plus 6z minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay, here is the equation of the plane here. Suppose this is a plane here, then its equation is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. And here is one point here, x1 y1 z1 here. Then if you want this a perpendicular distance here, in that case replace x by x1 here, ax1 plus replace y by this y1, so by1 plus replace this z by z1 here, cz1 plus d divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Here the required distance here. Okay. So apply this formula. They are already given. So coordinate of this point here, x1, y1, z1 is 3, 2, minus 1 here. So 3, 2, minus 1. And the equation of the plane is this here. Therefore, required distance is equal to. So here is a modulus sign here. So therefore, modulus of, replace this x by this 3. So 2 into 3 minus 3 into, replace y by 2 here. So right here 2. then plus 6 into, so replace z by minus 1 here, minus of 1, minus of 15 divided by, so root of okay, so 2 square plus minus 3 square plus 6 square, 6 square. Then simplify this one here. So this is equal to, okay, so 3 2s are 6 here, 3 2s are 6 minus 6, 6 1s are 6 minus 6 minus of 15 here, let the term in the modulus here, divided by root of 2 squares of 4, 3 squares are 9, 6 squares are 36 here. Here plus 6 minus 6 cancels here, minus 15 minus 6 minus 21, modulus of minus 21 is plus 21 here, and this is 49, square root of 49 is 7 therefore this is equal to 3. Here this is required distance, length of the perpendicular is 3 units here. Okay, so this is the answer here. The distance of the point of 1 minus 2 3 from the plane of x minus y plus z equal to 5 measured parallel to the line here. So there is a one plane here. They are already given here. Equation of this plane is x minus y plus z minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. And here is one point here. Consider quantity of 1 minus 2 3 they are already given. Take this point as a P here. Then the PQ is the line here. Here point Q lies on this plane here. Okay. And this line is parallel to this line here. Then equation of this line they already given here. Equation of this line is x divided by 2 is equal to y upon 3 is equal to z divided by minus 6 here. So therefore PQ and this line both are parallel here. Then direction ratios of the line parallel to the vector is 2, 3, minus 6 here. Okay, here take the same direction ratio 2, 3, minus 6. Direction ratio of this line is same as direction ratio of this line because both are parallel to each other. Therefore, take your solution here. So let P into bracket 1 minus 2 3 be the given point here. Okay. So equation of the line, equation of the line PQ passing through the point P. Passing through the point P into bracket 1 minus 2 3 and parallel to the given line, and parallel to the given line is x minus 1 divided by that 2 divided by, then is equal to y minus of minus becomes plus 2 divided by denominator term is 3 is equal to, then z minus 3 here, z minus 3 divided by minus 6 is equal to lambda. So take some constant lambda. Then take this to this side. X minus 1 is equal to 2 into lambda becomes 2 lambda. Y plus 2 here. Y plus 2 is equal to 3 into lambda becomes 3 lambda here. Take a minus 6 on this side here. So z minus 3 is equal to minus of 6 lambda. Therefore, x is equal to 2 lambda plus 1. Then y is equal to 3z minus of 2 and z is equal to minus 6 lambda plus 3. Therefore, let us consider the point Q is equal to 2 lambda plus 1 here. Then 3 lambda is not that. So 3 lambda. Okay. y plus 2 divided by 3 lambda. So 3 lambda minus 2n minus 6 lambda plus 3. Okay, take this part here. Okay, here are different values of lambda. You will get different points on this line. It is depends upon lambda value. Okay, consider this point here whose coordinate 2 lambda plus 1, 3 lambda minus 2 and minus 6 lambda plus 3. This point lies on this plane here. Okay, so this point lies on the plane. So they are already given x minus y plus z minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, replace x by 2 lambda plus 1 here. Therefore, 2 lambda plus 1 minus y is this here 3 lambda minus 2. 3 lambda minus of 2 here plus z is this here minus 6 lambda plus 3 minus of 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Now simplify. So 2 lambda plus 1 minus 3 lambda plus 2 minus 3 lambda plus 2 minus 6 lambda plus 3 minus 6 lambda plus 3 minus of 5 is equal to 0. Then minus 6 minus 3 minus 9 plus 2 7 here. So 7 lambda. Then 1 plus 2 3 3 plus 3 6 6 minus 5 is 1 here. Therefore lambda is equal to minus of 1 divided by 7 here. Therefore the value of lambda is minus 1 divided by 7 here. Okay. 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 Here it is a minus of 7 lambda. Therefore the lambda value is plus 1 upon 7. Use that lambda here. Okay. Therefore q is equal to 2 divided by 7 here. 2 by 7 plus 1. Comma. Then 3 by 7 minus 2. 3 by 7 minus 2 here. Minus 6 upon 7 plus 3 here. That is equal to 7 ones are 7 plus 2 9. 9 by 7. Then 7 2s are 14 here. So 3 minus 14 minus 11 minus 11 divided by 7 here. 7 3s are 21. 21 minus 6 here. Okay. 15. So 15 divided by 7 here. Therefore 9 divided by 7 minus of 11 by 7, 15 divided by 7, which is the coordinate of the point here. Here we want this distance PQ here. Okay. Distance of the point 1 minus 2 3 from the plane here. Therefore PQ is equal to, use the distance formula here, root of so 1 minus 9 by 7, 1 minus of 9 by 7 is a square here. Then plus minus 2 plus 11, minus 2 plus 11 upon 7 is a square here plus. Then 3 minus 15 by 7 here. 3 minus of 15 by 7 is a square. Therefore this equal to root of 7 1s are 7 here. 7 minus 9 minus 2. So minus 2 by 7 gives 4 divided by 49 here. 4 by 49. Then 7 2s are 14 here. Minus 14 plus 11. Minus 3 by 7. Minus 3 square is 9. 7 square is 49 here. Then plus 7 3s are 21 here. So 21 minus of 15 here. So 6 by 7. 6 square is 36 divided by 49 here. Therefore, this is equal to root of 49 is the LCM here. Sum of the numerator is 49. Then 49 cancels here. Therefore, the answer is 1 here. So third option is correct. One.